Does your child with ADHD like to have all their stuff out where they can see it? Or do they never throw anything away or don't want you to throw any of their things away? I want to explain why that is. The reason why they like to see everything out in front of them is because the ADHD brain struggles with nonverbal working memory, or what I call future thinking skills. That's our ability to visualize ourselves doing something in the future. So I find that for a lot of kids with ADHD, they worry if they put things away or if you put their stuff away, they're not going to remember it or they're not going to remember where they put it. So it just gives them a sense of comfort having everything out in front of them. As for not wanting to throw anything away, the reason for that is kids with ADHD, in my experience, tend to form sentimental attachments to a lot of things, even things that we might consider trivial, like a rock they found somewhere. So what we have to do is we have to help them learn to prioritize what's really important to them and what's not. A way you can do this is help them to understand that if they haven't touched or looked at something for a year, it's probably not important to them. If you want to reduce clutter, a strategy you can do is put all their stuff in some kind of bin, take a picture of what's inside the bin, print the picture out, tape it to the top of the bin. That way they can see what's in that bin. And that's a way to alleviate their anxiety about not knowing where their stuff is as well. So just keep that in mind. I teach strategies to help build nonverbal working memory and other executive function skills in Executive Function Crash Course for Parents, which is part of the ADHD Dude membership site. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.